Hi guys, the first I want say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's in to watch my videos. So 1, 2, 3, check it out. Woo! Hello guys, in this video I want make a space screen YouTube. So the first you can choose the frame. So after that you searching to plugins. You can choose Ctrl Shift E. Why this not? Oh, maybe they are wrong. So why? sorry guys if this very not uh, helpful. So you can choose asset and no plugin and with widget. So go to the Iconify. This loading guys, sorry. So YouTube, I not want YouTube short, but I want YouTube. This logo there are YouTube, so you import the icon to here. After that, you go to here. So this you duplicate and go to there and choose the key and make a little. So this portion you can choose this. After that, you duplicate this and this YouTube you can delete. You can delete it. So after that, this logo YouTube you can ungroup it. So this choose the position in center again. Oh no, no. This YouTube you can choose group. So this position make a center. After that, you finish. You can duplicate again to here. This you can move it. Go to there. If finish this, you can move to this. Oh no, done. This and just this. No. Hi. Maybe this yes. I'm forget guys. This very not. So no problem. This you can choose this and move it to here.